Hey everyone, it's Donna, and I have just made a cup of tea. Okay. I'm having sweet cinnamon spice herbal tea with a blend of cinnamon, ginger root, rosehip, orange peel, and peppermint. And of course I put in 2 creamers, which you'll see right there, of the vanilla silk. And this is gluten-free. My husband enjoys it and I do too. So, I want to show you my snow outside really quick. Gonna be a short video. Hang on. So check this out. Yesterday, no snow. Today, 3 or 4 inches out there. Pretty though, isn't it? Look at the sky. It's beautiful. And I want to show you something really cool today. We had a little bird. We have a fountain out on our patio, and we had a little bird build a nest in it. And the babies have hatched. And I want to show you the babies if I can. I don't want to scare her, so I'm going to try to shoot through the window so I don't frighten her. Let's see what I can do. Hang on. Can you see them? I've got this blown up a little bit. Let's see if you can see them. See the little heads there? Isn't that adorable? The neighbors told us the other day that they've spotted 2 eagles in this area. And I'm glad that they're up on my porch nesting to keep them safe from any little, getting grabbed by an eagle. But isn't that adorable? And she sits there with them. It's just adorable. I think there's 3 of them, 3 babies. Maybe 2, yeah, there's 3 at least. So they were in a good spot during the storm last night. I checked on them this morning. We all looked out to make sure they were okay, and they're fine. We're not going to bother them. And there's the mother. I'm shooting this through glass so that she doesn't get scared. I love nature. Isn't it beautiful? I think she's keeping them pretty safe and warm. And it should warm up here in a couple days. And the snow will melt away. But I check on them during the day. You can see a cord that I had some lights in there at one point. And I am not touching a thing because I don't want to scare the mother off. So that has been my last few days watching these babies grow. I have my Blessed Mama cup, and it's for her too. She's a blessed mama. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Let me show you the snow over here. Wind chime. And we will see you guys soon. Hopefully the babies will be flying. Bye-bye. Please subscribe.